Well, we have some unsettled weather for later today, right?
That's right, and some cooler temperatures coming our way. And that pretty much wraps it up and concludes my presentation.
I don't think you're done, Bob. You're not getting out that easily.
All right, here's our weather headlines. We're looking at some clouds to move in for today. Wet on Thursday, cooler and breezy too, and a decent weekend, but kind of cool this weekend. It'll seem cool, but actually we're going to be pretty close to that normal mark. It'll just seem cooler because of the summer-like temperatures we've been experiencing. And we haven't had any precip since, well, we had a trace back on September 26th and measurable precip back on September 17th. That was about a quarter of an inch. So it's been a while since we've had some rain around here. Looks pretty nice out there right now. Enjoy it. Tomorrow look a little bit different, but you know, we need the change. Change is good. 72 degrees, winds at 3 miles per hour, humidity at 24%. As far as our temperatures, Stanley dipped down into the 20s this morning. They're up to 49 now. 56 for McCall, 72 degrees, a little island of yellow there. Boise a little bit warmer than surrounding areas. For this last day of September already, September 30th, forecasting a high of 80 degrees, 7 degrees above normal, not quite record territory though. Those records in the mid-90s. Here's our satellite map. We have a low pressure system right there. That's Thursday's storm, and that will track to the northeast just below us. Clouds will increase from the south. In fact, already on our satellite map, you can kind of see clouds starting to increase out there, as evidenced by our time lapse earlier in the show. Here's our Futurecast computer model. We'll pause it there at 3 o'clock. Looks like the latest computer model delaying the clouds a little bit, but looking at some more cloud cover, certainly by tonight. Possibly some isolated showers by tomorrow morning. And then another wave of moisture moves in later in the early evening hours, possibly an isolated thunderstorm as well. Seeing a little bit of yellow and oranges show up, and it clears on out for Friday. Here's a little closer look at our high resolution Futurecast. There's 3:30, a few clouds around us. We really start to cloud up by the early morning hours, possibly some rain showers for your morning commute. There's 5 o'clock. And then still at 10:30, maybe a little break in between. There's 8:15 in the evening, possibly some rain again, an isolated thunderstorm, just enough instability in the atmosphere for that. Then we clear on out. As far as rainfall accumulation, let's see who's going to get the most. It'll show up as the blue here on the map, and maybe even a little bit of purple. Well, it looks like Stanley will be picking up the most, possibly some of our northern mountain locations, and looks like Twin Falls is getting a little bit more rain than what we'll experience here. Increase in clouds in the forecast for Twin Falls. Increase in clouds for Sun Valley as well. Now up in McCall and Cascade, you'll enjoy sunny skies much of the day since you're farther to the north. The clouds will be a little bit later in reaching you. Increase in clouds everywhere else, including Boise. Here is our extended forecast. A high of 80, 69 and unsettled on Thursday. Then temperatures very seasonable with only a slight chance of showers, otherwise partly cloudy right through the weekend, first part of next week. That's legal weather.